Oh, Faith. I can't believe you're still talking about that flat earth. Fucking stupid, retarded, you know? I mean, I saw it for myself. It's a curve. I've been in an airplane. Have you heard of that? I've been in an airplane, okay? And I saw it through the window for myself. It's so dumb. I saw it. I sucked my thumb, bitch. I mean, I don't do that. I'm really strong and smart and there's lots of pictures that they took and I saw them in my book. The only book I ever read was when I was in school. I don't need to read anymore now. You're so dumb. I saw it. I sucked my thumb, bitch. I mean, I don't do that. I'm really strong and smart and there's lots of pictures that they took and I saw them in my book. The book that told me everything that history is that I think I know in my nook. And they are crooked. They never lie to me. They only want billions of monies and taxes every day. They suck it all away, but it's okay, cause you know, flat earth just sounds fucking gay. I mean, not gay. I would never say that. I love everybody, except you fucking flat earth. You should fucking die. I hate you. Stop asking why. Stop telling me about the fish islands. I don't even get that shit. What are you fucking talking about? I saw on Vice and all these nice looking people with millions of subscribers. And so, what are you talking about? The scribes, the lion scribes. No, the books are real. All of them. The Bible even. I know. They would never lie to me or you. Just go back to work or school or... what is this guy here today? He probably just wants to make a bunch of money. Hey, what? Oh, and you just want attention. And you're just fantastical in your mind. You're just crazy, probably. No. I mean, it's a ball. Hello. Everybody already knows. Hello. Everybody already knows.
Yeah. I've heard it all. That's what they say. They fucking always bringing up excuses how they know everything is whatever NASA says. And they cut themselves back. They're only cut it in. And these motherfuckers never even gave a shit about.
Oh, Faith. I can't believe you're still talking about that flat earth. Fucking stupid, retarded, you know? I mean, I saw it for myself. It's a curve. I've been in an airplane. Have you heard of that? I've been in an airplane, okay? And I saw it through the window for myself. It's so dumb. I saw it. I sucked my thumb, bitch. I mean, I don't do that. I'm really strong and smart and there's lots of pictures that they took and I saw them in my book.